Our system is capable of operating at low temperatures and sometimes extremely low. To show you this, we decided to run an experiment. We put our emitter in the freezer for several days. The temperature in the freezer is about -30, -32 degrees. And now we will show you what came of it. Look, now it shows a temperature of -32 degrees. The emitter is in the freezer. Now we will get it and go to connect it to the car. Let's see if it works or not. Very cold emitter. Well, let's go to the car. Here is our emitter. We put it in. Connect it. Now I will take the control unit and we will start the car. Let's see how it works. Well, let's start. As you can see, our system also works at lower temperatures, so when operating a car, you do not have to worry about weather conditions.